Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Snow Monster stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it's a 10-piece set. You get 2 images and 8 sentiments. This set is so cute. I just love the sentiments. You get Cowabunga. There is Snow One Like You. You Got This. Snow Special. Snow Perfect, You Are, Snow Fearless, and Sorry, That Was Snow Fun. I stamped them out for you so you can see the images. As you can see, it stamps out really nice and the images are just adorable. The first image measures approximately 2.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. And the second image measures approximately 2.5 inches tall by 2.25 inches wide. I did make a couple of cards to share with you. The first card, I paired the Snow Monster stamp set up with the Penguin Winter stamp set for the trees on the card. Then I used the Slimline envelope border die to make the snowbanks on the card, the Slimline cloud die to make the border around the card, and the comic speech bubbles for the sentiment. For my second card, I made this cute shaker card. I paired the Snow Monster stamp set up with the notched rectangle dies to make the frame around the card, and I used the Blurry Flurry pattern paper for the background on the card. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.